Welcome to Mika and Gabi's cooking show.
Today we are making Korean fried chicken. And since today is Halloween, we decided to wear our costumes.
And I'm a werewolf, she's a cheerleader.
Yep, so let's get on to the video. For this recipe, you'll need 8 pieces of chicken drumsticks.
For the sauce, the ingredients are half a cup of rice syrup, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, tablespoon of brown sugar.
For the batter, you'll need a bowl, 1 cup of potato starch, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of water. It's time to mix the ingredients now. Okay, this is so cool.
I know. Okay, and then this salt.
Okay,
And then the water.
Okay, go mix it, Gabby.
Okay.
I'll hold on to the plate.
This is so fun. Oh man, that's getting thick already. Once it's all mixed, pour it on the chicken.
Yep. Okay, do you want to hold this, Sissy?
Mm-hmm. It smells weird. It looks like condensed milk.
Yeah, kind of. Okay. So we poured our batter into the chicken. Make sure the batter coats the chicken, and our mom helped us coat it. And that's the secret to make it crispy. This is what you will need to make the dry batter. You will need 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1.5 cups of potato starch, 1 teaspoon of salt, and whatever this is.
Gochugaru.
Yes.
Gochugaru.
Our
Flies.
secrets, we'll throw them all.
And also, I'm hiding in your pantry.
Okay, so now we're gonna mix the ingredients together to make the dry batter until it's all mixed together. So let's start.
And then we're gonna, like, yeah.
Okay guys, so this is the final product of our Korean soy garlic fried chicken. So let's go take a bite out.
No, we're not. I might take off every sesame seed. Oh.
What? Okay, so I'm gonna take a bite. You know what?
I'm gonna wash
Let's
my
do this
hands,
the
okay,
right
guys?
way.
I'm trying
These
to
are
be
really
so
good.
gentle.
Right, Gabby?
I haven't
It's
tasted
okay.
it
You
yet.
can use your hands, Gabby. They won't judge you. Right?
If I do, I'll still be hiding in your pantry.
It's really good because it's like sweet and like salty at the same time. Are you satisfied, Gabby? You guys should really try this recipe. It's really good. Especially with rice. There's nothing good without rice. Oh, this is good.
There's no rice. I hope
Don't
you
forget
have.
to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And comment on our videos. Also share. And happy Halloween, guys!
I hope you have a great day.
Bye!
Bye.